Welcome to Chad Hates Carbs. Today we're taking a look at the new cauliflower crust pizzas from Realgood. This is not something you want to try early on in your low-carb keto lifestyle because unfortunately it is 9 grams of carbs a serving. There are 4 servings per container at 300 calories. So if you're eating half of one of these, which is probably what a normal human would want to eat, you're going to be getting 18 grams of carbs. So for some people that's not going to be good for starting off. But once you've been going for a while and you have a good idea of how many macros, what your macros look like, my wife can handle way more carbs than I can, for example. Just something to keep in mind. So that said, what is it like? This is not like the chicken crust. Chicken crust is really firm. This is after cooking the cauliflower crust. You can see little bits of flecks in there. It is not crispy by any stretch. The edges are starting to get a little bit crispy, but the middle is still really kind of soggy. Taste-wise, it's not bad. It definitely, though, does have like a cauliflower kind of taste to it, so if you don't like cauliflower or that kind of sulfury taste, you probably won't like this. I gotta say, it's not offensive. It's almost more like a herby flavor. If you think of it like you're eating some kind of an Italian, heavily Italian spice, like with basil or something, it kind of almost is more along those lines. It's not bad. I think I like the other ones better. And they do have a thing in here that says on the other ones how to crisp them, but this one doesn't give you any of that on the back here. The other one has another column that shows you how to crisp up your crust. This one doesn't do that. So I don't know. All in all, they're not bad. Certainly better than blowing your diet, but I don't know. I give these probably maybe like a 6.5. They're just not exciting. I don't know how to explain it. It is more of a doughy texture, but it's almost like cornbread kind of texture instead of a crust. Anyway, it's not bad. I mean, I'll certainly eat it, but I don't know. I'd like to see them figure out something, and I appreciate the fact that they're trying different things, so I'm going to continue to support them with my money because that's how people come up with new products. So definitely want to keep these guys going down the road, making more and better stuff for us. So until next time, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. I'll see y'all later. Have a great day.